Oh, hello everybody. Today we are going to make a scrollable world map in Scratch. So as you can see, I have the map sprite and I have both costumes right over here. Let's do something with a blank costume first. So if you have a blank costume, we'll do this to make it very, very small, because we want it to be x0, 0x0. Okay, so click convert to bitmap, convert to vector. I'm using this costume for a purpose, which I will show you later in the video. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, we're going to go to x0, y0. We're at I already wrote the coordinates over here. Now we have to use the blank costume for a purpose, because when we are resizing this, it tells us we can only resize to 150. Yeah. So to fix this, we're going to make a new block. Don't ask me why I have this over here. I was just using Scratch add-ons, so don't ask why I have this right over here. You can take one screen refresh if you want. I'll take one without screen refresh. Rename this block resize. Don't add the looks tag. If you don't add this tag, don't add this tag. Don't add this tag. Don't forget about that tag. We're just gonna name our block resize. Okay. When we're doing this, we're going to switch the costume to blank, set size to the resize %, and switch the costume back to world map. So if we want to resize to 1000, we can just tick resize 1000. Now let's see what this does. Okay, we're at the center of it right now. So we want to scroll the world map. We can scroll. So let's do this. So what you do is to use when up arrow key pressed, we're going to resize size plus 10. Size plus 10. There. Now we want to also make it function for the down arrow. So let's make it when down arrow key press size minus 10. But if you want to make it more resizable, you can just change 10 to 20 and stuff like that. Now it's more resizable. Wow. About 50. Let's check 50. Let's see what that does. Whoa, now that's kind of fast. Okay. Please want us to resize it back to 1 now. Don't want to resize it to 1000 again. Okay. Great. Now I want to add the functionality to drag the world map while you scroll. While the user scrolls around the world map. Okay. So to do this, we're going to grab a when green flag click block and set the drag mode to be draggable. Yeah, this makes the stage draggable. Now look at that. Look at that. Now you can drag the stage wherever you want. Now, if I want to scroll to somewhere if I want to scroll to let's say Germany, I just have to scroll all the way to Germany. And if I want to scroll all the way to another country, let's say Turkey, I can just scroll all the way to I can just go all the way to Turkey. And if I want to drag all the way to the USA, let's say that, just drag to the USA. Wow, yeah, that's pretty good. Well, look at this. We can't drag because the background of this is transparent. It's transparent. You can't drag that part. So this is going to be really good if you want a drop. So get color. Okay. We're going to make a new backdrop with the same color. This is not going to be draggable for now. You can just click back. Now the backdrop is going to look like it is covering the back. Let's test this out. Now we can drag all the way around until it hits the edge. Okay, we don't want to see those borders. So just set those borders to be away. We don't want to see the borders. So just click. No, I don't want the fill color to be that. I want the outline to be that. Okay, now, next. Now, that looks pretty good now. Now, doesn't that look pretty good? I think I just delete the fill color. I just delete the outside. Just unfilled up. Yeah, now it's going to look like it is not showing up. So yeah, it's kind of laggy. As you can see, my computer is kind of laggy, but that's fine. Woo. Well, I hope you guys learned something new today, and I'm going to see you guys later. So bye bye.